Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music.
Hey guys, welcome to the Riley Ray channel. Today we're at Yogi Bear and we're staying for a couple nights, so I'm just going to vlog. We are with cousins, sister, and grandparents, and a camper.
Please don't stop the music.
We're getting ready to go to the pool, so see you later.
It's getting late. I'm making my way over to my favorite place. I gotta get my body moving, shake the stress away.
So we're at the pool in the water park, so now we're just playing Monopoly Deal.
Candidate, yeah. Who knew that you'd be up in here looking like you do? You make us staying over here impossible. Baby, I'ma say your aura is incredible.
What do you feel about Yogi Bear?
There are a bunch of dinosaurs live here, and that is really fun as a playground because it has a little zip line.
For dinner, we are having hot dogs that are cooking in this whatever it is, and it's really hot and smoking. So we're gonna eat soon, and then after that, if we're good, we may get a treat. We just ate dinner. We had hot dogs and Doritos and Powerade, and so now we're just like chilling because we're like tired. Hey guys, so now we're getting our treat because we're good. We're getting an ice cream.
Oh my gosh, it is so hot.
We are at Becky's. So we got our ices. Mine are in the front. Me and Brenda got pina colada. And my two cousins got cherry and blue raspberry.
Don't you feel the passion?
We also got chocolate chip cookies. So the sun's going down a bit and we're gonna go on a walk in a minute.
Just started. I just came here to party, but now we're rocking on the dance floor, acting naughty. Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. We're hand in hand, chest to chest, and now we're face to face. I wanna take you away, let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it, like the way you do.
Good night. See you tomorrow.
Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music. DJ, let it play. I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. Please don't stop the music.
We just saw two ducks and now we're eating breakfast.
Jurassic World.
Now we're gonna go paint.
Stop the music.
I'm painting this pumpkin. This is my pumpkin. Just finished painting, so now we're gonna go eat some spaghetti.
I just can't refuse it. Like the way you do this. Keep on rocking to it. Please don't stop the music. I wanna take you away. Let's escape into the music.
Time to go swimming again. Bye. So we just went swimming on the slides, and now we're really tired, so we're just chillaxing in the camper. Before we went to go get food, we went to Buc-ee's again. I got another icy. I just ate a hot dog at Sonic, and now we're getting half-price shakes. I got a Reese's Blast from Sonic. This morning we're eating breakfast at McDonald's. See you later. Bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. This is the Riley Ray channel.